guys, welcome to Pretty Joy's TV. We are going to E-Mart to buy socks because they're always fighting because of socks. Ponytail, okay, ponytail, because they're always fighting because they don't know I throw the socks. If they cannot pair it properly, then I throw the socks. Ako na naglaba, ako na nagsampay, ako pa ba ang magtitiklop? So, pag hindi nila tiniklop ng maayos, I throw the socks. Now, we have to buy socks because Ginger is leaving us. Bye, Ginger. So Ginger needs socks.